Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. Got an exciting one today. I just picked up some brand new parts for my 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport, and I'll be going over what they look like today. I picked up some Tacoma double cab Predator bar steps for the truck. Here's the part number if you're curious about what these are. These are OEM. I ordered them from the Toyota dealer. They took a little bit of time to come in because they were on back order, but they're here. I think they make the truck look a lot better, and we're going to be showing you a before and after. So thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel and you like vehicles, trucks, TRDs, feel free to subscribe down below. I really appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. I'd love to hit 500 by the end of the year. If you like the look, feel free to give the video a like. Thanks so much for tuning in. Alright, so I finally finished wrestling with the box. Man, that box was, I guess bigger than I thought, but of course it has to be big. This is the double cab. Anyways, very minimal setup for the box. You've got 12 bolts. I believe these take 17 pound-feet of torque. So you're going to want to get a torque wrench or any kind of drill or impact driver. So we also have the obviously Predator steps. One thing I really like about the Predators is that the bracket is built into the step itself. You don't have to attach the bracket to the step. It's actually made on the step. So that's great. Literally the entire box was just left and right side Predator steps, as well as 12 bolts. So here's what the truck looks like without the Predator steps on the side. So this is the double cab, and to be honest, I think it just looks a bit long without any side steps or rock sliders. But yeah, the Predator step should solve that problem. All right, now I'm gonna go under the body of my truck here and show you the specific screws that you're gonna wanna unscrew, and hopefully we can see this okay. So if I go under the body of the truck, there's two here. There's going to be two in the middle, two at the front, and two in the back. You're just going to unscrew these two. Well, these six, I guess. Mine might look a little bit different because I had a rust spray done below the truck, but pretty straightforward. This is where you're going to be putting your brackets. Unscrew these and then attach the bracket with the bolt. Alright, so here's the Predator steps on the truck. I've been testing them out for a little bit, and yeah, some things I really like about them is the fact that they're aluminum. I live in Canada, so don't really want these to rust. Also, they're really lightweight, so it's not going to impact my miles per gallon very much. Very easy to hop on. One thing as well is if you want to get to your roof, if you have a roof rack, very simple to just use this step to get to anything that you're storing on your roof. Now, if you are going off-roading, I would recommend getting some rock sliders instead if you care about ground clearance, because these are going to get beat up on the trails, I would say. So probably wouldn't be getting these if I was planning to take it off-roading. Hood scoop, I have a Sport, so this thing barely goes off-road. I also just for some reason like the look of the steps better than the rock sliders. But yeah, really impressed. These are OEM genuine Toyota parts, and if you get them from the dealer, they're a little pricey. I was lucky enough to have a credit, so I was able to get them for relatively cheap. But yeah, there's plenty of people that sell these used. They also have some replica ones on Amazon and eBay. They're not OEM, but feel free to take a look at those. Overall, really happy with these Predator steps. I think they make the truck look great. They're functional, aluminum, and lightweight. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.